today I'm joined with some special guests.
Liliana!
Tiana! Sophia! So the ingredients you will need are 1 package of Pillsbury sugar cookie dough, 1/4 cup of flour, vanilla frosting,
And food dye, which is optional.
yeah, okay, so the first step is to take your dough and cut it and add it to your bowl. Alright, so your next step is to add 1/4 cup of flour into your dough. Per each tube. Okay, so your next step is to knead your flour in your dough.
Knead it.
Okay, so your next step is to take your flour and sprinkle it all over your surface. Like nice and
So it doesn't
thick. You're gonna add your dough and form it into a ball and set it on your flour and start rolling it out. Okay, so after you're done like rolling out your dough and making it just how you want, grab all your Christmas cookie cutters.
Yeah, thanks for the knife.
Now let's cut out our cookies. Woo! So we all have different and special Christmas cookie cutters. I'm using a stocking.
I'm using a snowflake. I'm using gingerbread woman. And then
I'm using a Costco that crazy. After you're done cutting out your cool shapes, add them to a baking pan lined with parchment. Thumbs up, everyone. You're gonna
now put your cookies in the oven at 350 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes.
Don't forget to clean up before you decorate your cookies. After done baking, let cool and start making your frosting and dyeing it different colors. Now it's time to decorate. Let's see what creations we're gonna make. Look, the cookies. These are my stockings. And then Gianna and Sophia.